Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix error code 0x8096002a on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Open up Chrome and search WinRAR and select download option and select the WinRAR download under WinRAR site. Download WinRAR. Just need to select the top list as you can see English. Click on it, this link, and select the save option to download it. After getting download and click on it and select the yes option and install it. After the installation done, select done, and now you just need to go to the folder that you getting this error. You just need to right click on the file that you getting this error and select a WinRAR option and select extract to, and that has been extracted guys. As you can see, just double click on it and it has been extracted without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.